Good morning. Today's warm-up before we start Unit 2 is going to be a review of the production possibility curve and some demand shifters. So I need PPC with labels for the 3 points. There's my PPC. There's inefficient, efficient, and unattainable. Remember, we have a recession. We're operating below our GDP capacity. We're efficient on the curve, all the GDP we can make, and unattainable for the GDP that we can't make. We don't have enough resources, people, or technology to get there. Let's then write out the 3 keys to economic growth and draw PPC with growth. So we got full employment, resources, and technology. Any of those things, if we add more people, improve the quality or quantity of our resources, or improve our technology, as in our productivity, then that would lead to growth. Draw PPC with reduction of GDP and write one example of what could cause this. Okay, so I know if I have a reduction in economic capacity or GDP, that's going to shrink inward, and I just need to come up with one example of these. So how about a fire in California that destroys all the lumber? So that would make our resources decrease in quality and quantity. Write out the factors of production. We've got land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurship. Land, labor, capital, entrepreneurship. And we need all 4 of those things in order to make the economy work. Okay, the 3 types of capital we have human, we have real, we have financial, and those make up our capital stock. So human is our skills, our abilities, our people. Real is the tools and machines we need. Sorry about the marker. And financial, that's a $, is the money that we invest into these companies. Remember, we have positive or negative net investment whenever we replace or fix our machines beyond what they are worth as far as capital stock goes. Okay, the supply and demand shifters. I didn't leave much room to do that, did I? Sorry about that. Let me grab a smaller pen here. Okay, so we're going to have preference, income. So we have Piper, population. Let me zoom in a little bit more. So preference, income, focus, preference, income, population, expectations, related goods, substitutes, and complements. Remember, substitutes and complements are if the demand for, or if the price goes up for one item, the demand for its substitute will go up. Complements, if the price of one item goes up, then the demand for its complement go down because people wouldn't need it. Okay. Now on the supply side, we got our costs. Anything that costs your business money, like anything that makes your set budget different or difficult. So we have certs, costs, expectations. If you think it's going to be busy on Friday night, you're going to supply more food at the restaurant, right? Okay. Resources. Remember, we have quality or quantity that can go up or down. Resources, quality or quantity. If those change, then our supply would increase or decrease. CERT, technology. Think productivity. Okay, if you give your lumberjack a chainsaw and they had an axe, they're going to be a lot better off that way. Okay. T/S, that's going to be our taxes and subsidies. And that's pretty much government things, government regulations, any kind of government action. Okay, and then the last one is the number of suppliers. If simply a store closes, then the supply goes down, right? Or a factory closes, anything like that. Okay, now draw a supply and demand graph at EQ, label price, quantity, and then current price and quantity equilibrium. So these are ones you should be able to knock out pretty quickly. And there's our supply, variable S. Remember where they cross is equilibrium, so if one of these shifts, it will change price or quantity. zoom out a little bit. Get you a full picture of that. Sorry, it's a little bit sloppy, but it's a warm-up. It's really for you to be quick and have everything set.